Hello everyone, John here. So, some progress on this project, the Prehistoric Scenes Neanderthal Man, that I sent a kit over to Zealot Miniatures to have 3D scanned. And as of today, they've got the full figure 3D scanned, and I'll share some images at the end. So the figure itself is 3D scanned. Still got to work on the bases and a few other things. Some of the tools have also been 3D scanned, like the club and the knife and the big spiked club. So those are already scanned. There's some fixing up that needs to be done with those, particularly getting the connections for the arms and legs put together. Um, and so they were supposed to have everything done by November 14th. It's November 11th today. So I imagine that the rest of that's going to be done pretty soon. Then again, it goes to the 3D sculptor to work out a bunch of the details and the nameplate, and there'll be a nameplate holder. So a lot of progress on that. Again, I'll share some pictures of the 3D scans. They're really pretty cool looking. I am hoping to have at least the scanning and sculpting done by the end of the year, and then start doing some prototypes at the beginning of the year. So that's the plan on that. So stay tuned. More to come.